guys, my name is Olga Von Light and today we are going to cook delicious Halloween devil's eggs. We are going to make them healthy. We are not going to put too much mayonnaise, which is going to make it very Halloweeny, and we are going to create a real devil's horns on our devil's eggs, and we are going to color our yolks in a very bright orange color. Alright, so I actually already pre-boiled 5 eggs, and you have to also have a very sharp knife to half your eggs in half to get to your yolks. And then I'm going to put the yolks in this bowl, and then I'm going to create our yolk mixture. Make sure to hard boil your eggs very well, because you don't want to have runny yolks, because you want them to keep shape. And also today, guys, I'm introducing this product, grocery list, which you can see here on my fridge. It comes with this very nice bronze clip and also this pen on top, pen holder. So you can just keep your pen there all the time, and it will save you so much time in a store because everything is organized by aisle actually. So that's great. Alright, so I halved my eggs, and now I'm going to put the yolks carefully with a fork, because it's much easier to mash your yolks with a fork than a spoon. I'm just slowly putting them into my bowl. And actually it's going to be a very nice Halloween composition on the plate. Everything is going to be orange. As you can see, the pepper is orange. It's what we're going to make our horns out of. And then the yolks are going to be also orange, because I'm going to add paprika into our mixture, as well as probably a dash of turmeric. So that would keep our yolks very healthy, because traditionally you sometimes add lemon juice and a lot of ingredients. I like to keep the deviled eggs simple and healthy. So I'm just going to use simple ingredients like mayonnaise, not too much, just probably a teaspoon for all these yolks. I had 5 eggs, so just a teaspoon of mayonnaise would be enough, just to kind of unite it all. And I want the mixture inside to be very, let me bring it closer to you. I want the mixture inside to be very supple. I don't want it to fall apart, and I don't want it to be too runny. So now I'm going to bring our mayonnaise. I like this organic one from Trader Joe's. It's very, very delicious, and it's perfect for our deviled eggs. So just 1 teaspoon of mayo, maybe just a little tiny more. I'm a big mayonnaise lover, but it gives you too many extra calories. And now I'm just going to mix it up a little bit, just to see the consistency coming out very nicely already. And now I'm going to add a dash of paprika and turmeric. Okay, here I have my paprika, and I'm gonna probably just just a little bit. Then of course I'm gonna sprinkle some paprika on the top when you serve, but just to give it color, and also a dash of nice flavor, but it's not going to overpower. So that's very good. So now I'm gonna add a little bit of turmeric. And it's very good for your lunch option, or if you have people over. It's very nice and festive, as well as it has a lot of protein if you work out. So let me see what we have here now. As I'm mixing it, you see it becomes very nice and orange, very nice and orange. So you don't want to even mix it too much. It's not like a dough that you have to mold too much. So, and now I'm actually going to get to our pepper. I pre-washed it earlier, so I'm just going to cut the top off and quickly clean the top up, because it's actually how you cook the pepper before cooking it. Like, for example, you can make stuffed peppers with what's going to be left, or we're just going to use this stuff. You see the stuff? And this is how you clean the pepper. So I'm quickly going to leave it here. cut out the seeds, give it a quick rinse. And now what we're actually going to do, we are going to make little horns for our deviled eggs because they're going to be little devils. So what you do, you just cut out equally shaped triangles. We have 5 eggs, so we need 10 horns. So that's what I'm going to do. The sharper your knife is, the better. You see, so it's kind of, it just looks like this. You're just going to put it on top of your eggs. And I'm going to organize them beautifully here. So just, you're just creating triangles out of your paper top. You can also make them red, but I want my deviled eggs to be not too scary, more funny, I would say. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What you can also do, you can do eyeballed deviled eggs, but then you have to use food coloring to create this bloody pattern around. I'm not gonna do that today because it's a weekly lunch that I'm creating right now, and I want to keep all the ingredients simple. All right, so also I'm gonna put the pepper away, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to actually create a salad composition with our deviled eggs. So I'm going to serve them on a bed of lettuce. Where is my lettuce? So they're pre-made here. So I'm going to put it on a bed of lettuce. I'm gonna move it for a second and put it. You just kind of, very nicely. You can pre-make some kind of salad with cucumbers. I'm just going to keep it simple because our deviled egg is already full of flavor. So that's about it. Maybe I just separate the salad a little bit to make it more beautiful. Also, I found very nicely looking, oh hi Chuchu. Chuchu is my dog, he just came here. He's very excited about what we're cooking. So I'm just going to situate it on a plate and then put our eggs, our little devils on top. So we're going to have 10 of those because we halved about 10 eggs. And it's very, very nice snack for Halloween. Alright, so we're just going to spread them around, just like that. And now I'm actually going to add the filling inside. And I would say that to fill them, it's probably you need a spoon and a fork. So I'm just going to give it another spin. Just a quick one. So the mixture looks very nice and orange. And right now I'm going to add it on top, just like that. I tend to not to overfill the deviled eggs because it's already a lot of protein. And you're kind of trying to shape it as a circle, like it would be a devil's little head. Alright, just like that. And you see it's very nice and supple. And yeah, so I went grocery shopping yesterday and I used my funny grocery list that you can see here on the fridge and below your screen. What's good about it is today it has 17% off. It's the lowest price of the month. You can get it during this live. It has 50 pages of paper that it will last you for a year if you're shopping approximately once a week. And it's going to save you time at the store because everything is separated by the aisle. So, for example, when you're at the produce aisle, everything is conveniently located for you there. And then when you're moving into meat or protein aisle, seafood, it's also all located together. There is also extra fields for you to fill out if you would like to add some items that are not on the list, some kind of ethnic items maybe, like for example, I'm originally from Russia and Ukraine and we have this yogurt drink called kefir. It's not on the list, but there's plenty of space to write the things you would like to add to it. And also there is a pet section, so if you have a pet like I have here, I'm going to show you my very excited pet. His name is Choo Choo. He's very excited about Halloween and deviled eggs, and there is actually a pet section on that list for him, so you guys go and check it out. Don't leave your pets out of the food shopping production. And let me show you what we have so far. So far we have our deviled eggs on a bed of salad, and now we're actually going to add a little horns on top, just one by one. 1, 2, 3. It's actually already looks very festive and very funny. So it's a great Halloween snack. And then later I'm going to decorate it with orange looking tomatoes that are actually resemble pumpkins. So these eggs are going to be pumpkins and devils. So, and now you see how orange these tomatoes, these cherry tomatoes are. Perfect for Halloween. They resemble little pumpkins. Okay, I don't need this plate anymore. So I'm just going to cut these in half. And then we're going to decorate our eggs. What are you guys having for lunch today? And when did you go grocery shopping? Do you know that the busiest time at the grocery store is Saturday morning and Sunday afternoon? So if you go grocery shopping during that time, it's on average takes you half an hour longer. But if you have the list, it's still going to save you time, because average American spends approximately an hour at the grocery store doing weekly grocery shopping. Alright, so our deviled eggs are almost ready. Now I'm going to add a little bit of paprika on top of our devils. And yes, you see, it took us about 10-15 minutes to make. I pre-boiled the eggs earlier. So now you can see our little devils. Here they are. You see the little horns over there. And our little pumpkins, pumpkin devil eggs. So deviled eggs is actually a perfect Halloween dish. And you guys should go and try to make it. And get your grocery list so you don't spend too much time at the grocery store. Thank you so much for watching me today, and I'm going to see you soon. Bye guys, and happy Halloween!